In this session, we'll be learning how to prepare the form for measuring. At the end of this session, you'll be able to know about the dress form, describe pin head guides, explain the steps for measuring bust bridge, and know the armhole depth chart.
Dress form is used to give a three-dimensional view on the article of clothing that is being sewed. They come in all sizes and shapes, for almost every article of clothing can be made. When a piece of clothing is made, it can be put on the dress form so one can see how the piece of clothing will turn out. Then one can make alterations upon the clothing on appearance of the dress form. Dress forms are used by fashion institutions, sampling department in a garment factory, in boutique houses, and by haute couture designers. Dress form provides better understanding and greater opportunity in designing by draping method because we can change the draping style many times before cutting the fabric. Pins are used to hold the edges of the folding and to join the two parts. It is used like clips to protect the folding of the packing in all types of packing. Pin is made of metal. Straight pins range in length from ½ inch to 1 7/8 inch. Look for sharp, smooth, rust-proof pins that can bend without breaking. Pin marking is done by placing a series of pins through the muslin or dress form to evaluate style line placement, and it is used in draping process. Pin cushions are in variety of styles. It sharpens and cleans pins and needles. A rectangular wristband pin cushions mounted on a plastic wristband that is perfect for pin filling and marking hems, and magnetic grabber types net marks for easy pin catching. Now let us perform a task. To do this, you need the following tools: measuring tape, dress form, paper or notebook, and pencil or pen. The task is to prepare the form for measuring. The steps involved in measuring the bust bridge are: first, cut a strip of cloth in 1.5 by 26 inch. Then fold the edges and fold again. Now place across bust points ending 1 inch past the side seam. Push pins through bust points. Mark the center line. Replace waistline tape if the tape is damaged. Now let us see the pin head guides. Thrust pins through shoulder tip at the ridge or roll line, mid armhole at level with the plate screw, and 3/8 inch below the center neck. Here are the steps to fill armhole depth chart. First, locate the armhole depth of the form and choose the measurement that corresponds to the form size. Measure down form armhole plate at the side seam and thrust a pin head at the point.
We have reached the end of this session on to prepare the form for measuring. By now, you should be able to know about the dress form, describe pin head guides, explain the steps for measuring bust bridge, and know the armhole depth chart.